everyone. Hope you're all doing great. So, we all know what health, hygiene, and fitness actually means. But there are also certain misconceptions related to all this that we people are happily living with. Not that we have a problem with you people being happy, okay? But we do have a problem with you people not knowing the facts. So, here we are to help you guys clear some of these very common misconceptions. Hi, Srishti.
And what took you so long to pick my call?
You again. Acha, so sorry, yaar. Actually, I was attending a webinar on fitness and its importance.
Seriously, Deepika, you and fitness? Sorry. So, how was the webinar and what was it all about?
Glad you at least bothered to ask. Acha, so it was a very interactive session, okay, wherein they asked us whether we all consider ourselves fit or not.
And what did you say?
I said, yes, I do consider myself fit.
Sorry to say, but Deepika, just look at you. I mean, chubby लोग कब से fit होने लगे?
How does me being chubby make me unfit? Also, look who's talking.
It's me talking, and I never claimed that I'm fit, unlike you.
Whatever.
तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? Did you guys observe something off in this conversation? Because I did. A misconception. Firstly, fitness has got nothing to do with you being fat, chubby, or thin. Secondly, exercise is no longer seen primarily as a means to lose weight, but something which helps you to fit us now. People are aware of the true meaning of fitness. Not to forget, there are some genuine facts that state that being a fit, fat person is more capable of fighting a disease than just a fit looking person or a slim person. Okay, guys, now I need to explain the whole scenario, the whole thing to my friends Srishti and Deepika back there. So, okay, bye.
$98, $99, $100. आई थिंक आज के लिए बहुत है बस.
That's it, 100. You have been doing this for months now. I mean, show some progress.
बोल भी कौन रहा है यार. लुक, तुम लड़कियों को वैसे वेट लिफ्टिंग बस की बात नहीं है, सो तू रहने दे, ठीक है. तेरे से ये एक भी नहीं हो पाएगा.
Okay. And how can you say that, dear brother?
कैसे बोल रहा हूँ? मुंह से बोल रहा हूँ. ध्यान से देखना ऐसे. वेट लिफ्टिंग इज नॉट मेंट फॉर यू गर्ल्स, ओके?
क्या लड़कियां सच में वेट लिफ्टिंग नहीं करती?
Did you guys heard them? It is the biggest misconception about weightlifting. जो यहाँ भाई सोच रहा है वही बाकी सभी सोचते हैं. वेटलिफ्टिंग एक बहुत मेजर सोर्स है स्ट्रेंथ गेन करने का एंड इट हैज नथिंग टू डू विद जेंडर. हाँ, ये बात सच है. हमारी बॉडी जो हार्मोन्स प्रोड्यूस करती है वो बहुत मेजर रोल प्ले करती है वेटलिफ्टिंग में. बट वुमेन की बॉडी टेस्टोस्टेरॉन कम प्रोड्यूस करती है ऑन एन एवरेज बेसिस दैन मैन. बट द रीसेंट स्टडीज फ्रॉम सैन फ्रांसिस्को यूनिवर्सिटी एंड कैलिफोर्निया यूनिवर्सिटी हैज proved this that women has the same amount of muscle fiber required for the sports compartment. In fact, कुछ केसेस में तो मेन से भी ज्यादा है. हमारी छोरियां छोरों से कम थोड़ी है. I hope this clears up a misconception about weightlifting is only for men. Thank you.
Hey Chama, how are you?
I have 3 more assignments to do, and see, I'm out of my lace already. What am I supposed to do?
Sad to hear, but you definitely complete this on time, for sure.
Yeah, hope is the only thing which is left in my life right now.
Hey, I always see you having junk food all the time. Aren't you even a little bit concerned about your health?
Hey, I am curvy and I like it. Okay?
There's a lot difference between being curvy and being a football, okay?
So what do people want from me? To like stop eating everything? Hey, everyone needs change of taste in their life and so do I. Why I have to deal with all this knowledge every time? And talking about knowledge, why don't you suggest me something, huh?
Acha Baba, calm down. If you really want to have something during the breaks, you can go for peanuts and a plate of salad. They also taste good.
But Neha, I heard somewhere that the dry fruits and the salads both contain some amount of fats. So why don't just I stick to the one I love the most? What do you say?
Yes, you are right. Let's discuss our doubts with Raghav. I mean, he is a fitness freak and he must be of great help to us.
Hi there, guys. Today I am here to clear some of the most common misconceptions about consuming fat, which every one of us has. Firstly, low fat diets are not superior. Most of the people seem to think that diets which contain low fat are good for our body. But let me tell you that the lack of fat in those diets are substituted by sugar. And as we all know, fat does not make us fat, sugar does. And lastly, cholesterol is bad for our body. Let me tell you, cholesterol is not all bad for our body. Cholesterol is a waxy like substance which runs in our bloodstream and it helps us make bile, and it also helps in the consumption of vitamin D. And lack of cholesterol can lead to some severe diseases. Therefore, not consuming cholesterol is much more harmful. Therefore, consuming cholesterol along with some physical activity is good and essential for our body. So guys, that's all from my side. Stop avoiding fat, stay healthy and stay happy. Thank you.
Hi buddy, what's up? What took you so long to pick up my call?
Hello Misha. I was gone for a morning run. And I don't carry my mobile phone along.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. I just needed some notes actually. So you can call me after you're done with your shower.
No, that's fine. I'll just use a dry towel.
I don't think that's a good idea. A shower after a workout is really important.
But why?
Well, for one, it is gross to not take a shower after a workout. Secondly, it leads to body odor, clogged pores, rashes, and increases bacteria on your body, and on and on and on and on. There are so many reasons. I think you should go take a shower.
See, I've been doing this for years now. And do you really think I'm hygienic?
Ja, jo karne kar. Ja, bye.
So, again a common misconception that cleaning our body with just a towel after a heavy workout is enough. But that's not the case actually. We all should take a proper shower after a few minutes when we're done working out, which not only feels relaxing, but it also reduces the risk of rashes and breakouts which can be caused due to bacteria multiplying on our skin thanks to our sweaty body. So, वर्कआउट के बाद शावर ले लिया करो गाइस.
सो देखा आप सभी ने, बहुत ही बेसिक सी चीज़ें थी, फिर भी काफ़ियों को नहीं पता थी. Guys, there's a very broad and a clearly visible line between assumptions and facts. So stop assuming and get your facts right. It's very important these days that we stay fit, healthy and hygienic. Stay safe, stay indoors. I hope this video helps you.